Welcome back to Miss Morgan's house, where we make history and we do unboxing videos. Thank you, Kira from 2018-19 for the first part of that line, the welcome back to Miss Morgan's house. And today is the last day of school of the 2018-19 school year. I'm probably the only teacher still here because I sometimes like to take my time. Look at that hair sticking up. Anyway, so I have put away a lot of my room, and I always find the end of the school year kind of sad because you think of all the work you put in with that year's group of kids, and you're going to miss a lot of them. I won't see a lot of them in person again. So it's kind of sad. I'm also really tired by the end of the school year. And I really appreciate the end of the school year the next morning when I wake up and didn't have to set an alarm. But anyway, I thought, since this is the year, I thought of the unboxing videos, or some students suggested it really, that I would do my second unboxing video, third. But I wanted to do my third unboxing video before the end of the school year because this is the year when I first started with that idea. So this package has been sitting in my room a long time, but so finally we're going to open it. It is from Teacher Created Materials. Okay, it's big. I think I got some things to like put on the wall or door, and look at, I got a nice pretty zit to end the school year. Teachers get zits too. All right, so I'm going to cut open this box and see what's inside, and I'll just have to find somewhere to put it away since it's the end of the year, and I won't be needing it anymore, at least till the next school year. This group of 8th graders that I get. So I think there's also stickers in here and some like poster type things. So almost there. Let's see, I got some padding. It's a little awkward. I'm filming myself doing this, by the way. So I have some paper I'm going to bring home and put in our fire pit. I was right, stickers. Just some generic, nice word stickers. Some type of catalog. They want me to buy more stuff. All right, a bunch of other stickers, generic good words. There we go, some more. Ooh, narwhals. I love narwhals. I should grab my narwhal magnet that I have on the front of my board, but it's packed away. So we got those stickers, and that might be it. I have accents, clingy thingies, write-on, wipe-off pieces. So I was kind of curious about how these would work, and I finally bought some. So I guess I'll find out next year how they work, because there's no need to open this right now. And it looks like something else here. Oh yeah, like an inspirational poster. In a world where you can do anything, be kind, right? You can say a kind word to someone, compliment them. Sometimes I compliment people on their nail polish, like at the grocery store, or hold the door open for someone. Any nice little thing that you can do. I'm sure the other person will appreciate it. So that's it for the second unboxing. It's over pretty fast. And let's see, let's close it out with a couple of lines from my students from this year. We have Miss Morgan signing off. Thanks, Erin, for that. 2018-19 student in class 4. And then peace out, my dudes and dudettes. I added the dudettes, but Belle from 2018-19, also from class 4, suggested that. So have a great summer, and that's all I got. Bye.